Jesus' treatment of women was revolutionary, and women of all kinds flocked to him. Poor women, rich women, young women, old women, sick women, grieving women, women known for their sinfulness, women known for their godliness, virgins and widows, prostitutes and prophetesses. Jesus, through the eyes of women, draws on the stories of the named and unnamed women in the Gospels and asks, what did Jesus look like through their eyes? This may seem like an innately modern project, but in fact the Gospel authors invite us to look at Jesus through the eyes of these eyewitnesses who witnessed Jesus' birth and ministry and life and death and resurrection. Let's listen to their first Gospel proclamation. I have seen the Lord.